Out with the old. This one's not working. I will rebuild it though and sell it. It's the one I've been using. All the dust and stuff where the other one was. And we've got access now to this corner where we're going to swap out this box and possibly this switch. This is for the compressor. So we will put our correct plug here and like I said, swap boxes so we got a little more room. Well, a little cleaned up and some wiring and a new box. Went off to the side on this one instead of coming down like the other one was, and I was able to tie into here so the box is attached here and then there, so we got a good solid box. The other one was kind of janky, I guess. So that looks better. If you're going to be moving anything heavy, get some movers dollies. These things, these are 2 Harbor Freight. I got them when they were on sale. I don't remember how much they were. I've had them, I don't know, 5 years, maybe longer. But I've never moved furniture with them. I've moved all kinds of stuff with them, never furniture. I take that back. There was a desk sitting right here and I used one of them to move the desk. But I moved my lathe into position, put both of these on it, and there's supposed to be 1,000-pound capacity. I don't know what my lathe weighs. It's over 1,000 pounds. I know that, but it's heavy, and they handled it. But I've got the compressor moved around. I'm gonna kind of mess with it and see where I want it while it's on the dollies, and then I'm gonna have to pull it out a little ways to get it off. I think I'm happy with that. I'm probably going to make my pallet a little bit smaller, but I think that works. It still gives me enough room to get in here, flip that switch on and off. It's not the easiest thing to get to, but I got clearance on that shelf and still get to the shelf, get stuff on and off. So I think I like that. We'll slide these back under there. They were under there. And I'll move these totes. We'll put our parts washer over there. I think that'll work. It would fit here, but it doesn't give me enough room to get to the switch. And I don't want to have to, I guess I could reach around this way, but I don't like doing that. So, yeah, parts washer go right here. I think that'll work. If I wanted to, I could move this box, but I like having this box next to those. So I don't think that's gonna get moved. All right, so now plumbing. Eventually I will get around to installing that. Had that a few years. That is a shop kit to run air lines, but haven't done it yet. But pulled this off of my old compressor and it needs to go on here. I think I want to put it about like that. So we're going to need a 90 and then some fittings. And I think I'll come off with a support off of there and mount it like a board just to help support all this. I think that'll work. Just like that. So I need to do some measuring and see what I need. And yeah, we'll leave this fitting there for now, just in case I need it. And this is reduced down. I've got an idea for that. Got some copper tubing. I think I'll connect to it and run it over and down there, and that way, I don't know if you can see, there's rust stains on the shop floor where I've drained the other compressor, so it'd be nice to have that going, and it drains the water outside. I think we're going to do that. That'll take care of it. So let me get busy. I think I'm going to end this for now, and maybe in the next video I'll show y'all once I've got it all like I want it.